Welcome back. Excel Daily Dose Basic Functions, Day 20, is even or is odd. So we're going to discuss both the functions in the same video since they are very simple concepts. Okay, so myself Dayanand. By this time you already know me. Yeah, well, and I'm with Learn and Earn YouTube channel today. Let's get started with our Excel is even or is odd. Right. So name itself clearly tells what are we going to check. So before we quickly tell you what is an even and odd, even are the numbers which can be divisible by 2, odd which cannot be divisible by 2. By default, 0, if you should remember this, 0 by default is an even number. Though nothing can be divided, nothing can divide 0. However, 0 is considered to be an even number, right? So example for even number 2, 4, 10, anything which is purely divisible with 0 remainder is an even. And example for odd number 3, 5, 15, etc. Right. Let's say I have a number here, say 10 as the number, and here we go with the formula is even, and checking this E4, it requires only one argument. You cannot supply 3, 4 text or 3, 4 numbers and ask Excel to check whether they are all even or odd. So it can only take one argument. Yes, it says true because the 10 is divisible by 2. And if I give 9, it says false. If I say 15, false. If I supply 0, it does say true. Also, another important thing you should know here, if cell value is blank, your formula will still say it is an even number. Be careful with that. Right, and coming down to what is an odd function, same number of arguments, just that formula changes. Let me put this formula here. So is odd, and referencing to E4 again. Yes, it shows it true. 15 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number too. But 12 is not an odd number, but it is an even number. So this results true or false to every formula which starts with is always returns with true or false. It is not the same with if. So there is one more function called if error, which we discuss in the next series in the intermediate section. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.